Calligraphy.
The written script of the Arabic languages unites the world of Islam. Arabic calligraphy is considered very beautiful by the whole world, both Islamic and non-Islamic. Of course, there are many different scripts which the Arabic calligrapher can use. Three well-known examples which you will immediately recognize are Kufi, Thuluth, and Ruqa'. But did you know that English also has many different scripts? Perhaps they are not so important in English nowadays as different scripts are in Arabic. Calligraphy is probably the most important form of art for Muslims. It is seen not only in the Quran and in books, but also in many other places. It is used, for example, for the decoration of buildings. There are wall hangings, frame samples, and inscriptions inside and outside public and private buildings. In the Western world, the art of calligraphy declined with the introduction of printing and typewriters. However, it is now becoming more popular again, and calligraphers are in demand to illustrate books, posters, cards, letterheads, and many other things. Some of the different English scripts are so common that you will almost certainly see them in your reading. Three of the most common scripts used are Roman, based on letters developed by the Romans about 2,000 years ago; Gothic, which developed in Northern Europe between the 10th and 15th centuries AD; and Italic, from 15th and 16th century Italy. There are some examples of alphabets in these three scripts at the top of the next page. How common are these scripts, and where will you see them? Roman script is probably the most common. This is because it is the clearest and easiest to read. Almost all the newspapers, magazines, and books which you will ever see in English use some form of the Roman script. Gothic script is quite difficult to read, even for native speakers. It is usually seen on letterheads, in the names of newspapers, and outside buildings. Italic script, as you see it on the next page, is always written by hand. However, a slanted version of Roman script is often used in printing to stress or emphasize things, and this is called italic. Look at the examples on the next page. Decide which of the English scripts is used in each example and why it is used.